Hey, I'm MadSal, and welcome to the series where I take you through my entire process of making a viral video. If you don't know what I do comedic Photoshop tutorials that are mostly relatable, fun to watch videos. They're not for people who want to learn Photoshop, but they can be. I've made a ton of money on TikTok doing this. I've started getting brand deals, and now I do this as my full-time job. In this series, I will take you through my entire Photoshop process. I will edit my video and post it. I will be totally transparent about how much money I make. So maybe you'll learn a little bit about Photoshop. Maybe you'll learn a little bit about social media. Maybe you'll learn how to make money. Maybe you'll learn a little bit about business. In my last video of this series, I made this TikTok where I Photoshopped me and my Bumble match getting married. You could go watch that if you want to see the full process, but a little spoiler, that was not a real Bumble match. That was a stock photo, and I edited that entire Bumble match thing. That was not real. This video has been performing great on Instagram. A ton of the commenters on Instagram are saying, "What did he say when you sent it? I was waiting for you to send it to him." So I thought, maybe I start editing myself into my Bumble matches pictures and sending it to them. I usually stay away from using real people in my videos, but it could be really funny and it has really good viral potential. It has really good series potential. I feel a little uncomfortable like not blurring someone's face, but there are so many guys who have sunglasses pictures in their profiles. So I think using a sunglasses picture with a guy that kind of like makes it a little more okay. I don't know. I don't feel that bad. I've got Bumble up on my iPad, and let's get started. Honestly, right off the bat, we've got a great picture. This guy has sunglasses on. He has his arms wide open, ready for me to nuzzle up next to him. I say that we just use this guy. No smoking, no pronoun. Oh my God. I worry that this guy won't respond because he seems very serious. Let's see how this goes. If this is like a very fast process, then I could just send multiple pictures to multiple guys and it will be hilarious. Okay, so now we need my picture of me that I'm going to edit into his photo. You better work, this is the one I think would be funniest because it can look like I'm piggyback riding him. Oh, I hope I don't get blocked from Bumble for this. If this goes well, I'm going to have to make sure the guy has a good sense of humor before I send this to anyone because people might think I'm a total freak and report me. Ugh. I'm literally gambling on my love life for you guys. You're welcome. Am I really gonna send this to this guy? Oh, I'm so embarrassed. Oh, this is humiliating. Let's send David a picture. Eek! Oh, I can also send a message. Could be us. Oh, David, please respond quickly. All right, well, let's see what happens. Okay, it's been 2 days since I messaged David, and I know you're all at the edge of your seats, and I'm here to tell you he didn't respond. So it's disappointing because I don't have a good punchline to my video, but I still think it's a funny video, and I think I'll do it again. I think that there are funny guys out there on Bumble. And if not, then I've got bigger problems to worry about. I'm ready to post. I'm going to do that right now. And while I do that, you can watch the TikTok.
Hey, ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang, a boom, da doo, ba doo, da doo, day. Oh, life could be a dream if I can take you up to paradise above. If you would tell me I'm the only one someone that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello again, shaboom. Oh, life could be a dream. If only all my precious plans would come true. If you would let me spend my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so fine. Life could be a dream if I could take you up to...
Honestly, it's pretty funny. I'm kind of disappointed that he didn't respond. I think it's so funny. So right now it is 3:20 p.m. I typically post around 1 or 2 p.m. because that's when most of my TikTok followers are most active. I haven't been getting the views that I used to, so I'm okay with just experimenting around with different times. It's been 16 minutes, 155 views. No, it's not doing well. Darn it. Honestly, I don't think this video is going to do well because it's only at 300 views and it's been like half an hour. So I don't have high hopes. I'll check back in the morning, and if we still haven't gotten like thousands of views, honestly, I will take it down, re-edit it, and post it again around 9 or 10 a.m. Good morning. Today's a new day. I will be honest, I got impatient and I posted it again last night and it flopped. Unfortunately, it is 8:55 a.m. I'm going to post this new edit now.
Photoshopping myself into guys' Bumble pics.
And cross my fingers that this does well. If not, I will just live with the fact that this is a bad video. I think, honestly, the quality of the picture is not that good. It's not that clear what's going on. And, you know, maybe I don't want this to take off because it is very creepy. Okay, great news, everyone. The video actually seems to be rising in the ranks. In 30 minutes, it was at 638 views. Let me refresh and see how much it has jumped. 789. Great. And 47 likes. Great. So this is doing better than I actually thought. So here we have an example of these minuscule changes that we make to our edits are so important on TikTok. Hooking the audience in the first few seconds is what will make the video successful. For this edit, I added the text and the voice explaining what the premise was, and I brought my image in within the first 2 seconds. People really aren't giving any videos a chance past like a second or two, so you really have to come in with something gripping in the very beginning. Okay, this is good. This is good. Every time I refresh, I have 100 new views. Woo! So I think this will at least do well enough that you can see what it looks like to make money off a video on TikTok. It takes a couple of days for the amount that you earn for your like rate to generate. So we're officially at the hour mark and we've officially surpassed 3,000 views. Yay! I'm so happy. I'm so dramatic. I was like ready to end my TikTok career. And now it's killing it. Okay, so now the views are really coming in quickly. It feels so good to go viral. This is so pathetic and lame, but like I love the attention that I get. Let's talk money and wrap this up. Okay, it's been about a week, and if you are here, you are probably here because my TikTok did go super viral, and it did set off a whole series of these TikToks. I did film my whole process for most of these TikToks, and those will become YouTube videos in the future. So subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to see those. Also, it just aligns perfectly with the Supreme Court banning TikTok. I had been losing TikTok followers weirdly in the last couple of months. And in the last week, I've gotten over 12,000 new followers. I'm racing towards 100K followers, but I'm up against the TikTok ban. So I don't know if TikTok will get banned first or if I'll get 100,000 followers first, but we are praying for Kevin O'Leary to come buy TikTok and just keep it going, guys. Let's talk money for this video. So after 1 week, this hiking video has made $468.34. It will keep earning a few dollars every day, but we can pretty much expect this to sit around the $500 mark. Here's a very truncated explanation of what the TikTok Creator Fund is. Every 1,000 qualified views on your video, you will earn a certain amount of money. Right now for this video, it's 54 cents. That rate is based off of many things, one of the big ones being where your audience lives. USA has a higher rate than other countries. So if your video has more of an American audience, you will make more money on it than if your video had, say, a European audience. In the very beginning, I believe your video is pushed out to people like you. So for me, that is females in America. So the first day that I see my earning analytics, my RPM is going to be like $1.50 because it's so high. But with videos that go viral, the larger your audience gets. So after a few days, that will bring my RPM down. As time goes on, I'll give any interesting updates to my earnings at the end of my YouTube videos. This has kicked off such a fun TikTok series and also YouTube series. And in my next YouTube video, I will show you how I made this TikTok and how much money that one earned. And I will say it is more than this video earned. Make sure to comment any questions you have. I want to share everything that I know with you guys, but I won't know exactly what to share unless I know what you want to hear. I'm still actually talking to some of these Bumble matches from these series, so maybe I'll update you on that. Thank you so much for watching the ups and downs of making this TikTok video, and in spirit, you helped me go viral. I just know you did.